This December, I'm making a Christmas calendar using vanilla JavaScript and HTML canvas. In each one of these days, I'm gonna procedurally generate a unique Christmassy item because I need icons like these around this time, and good free ones are hard to come by. I also want to easily scale and color them in different ways. I hope you'll follow along and implement your own versions so I can showcase them in a special video on the 24th. You'll practice working with coordinates, basic math, and various JavaScript programming techniques. It's a good project, I think, to learn about code modularity, reusability, and how to write consistent code. Today is day 12 and we're gonna draw a sled. Coding with Radu. Let's code now. To draw the sled here at number 12, we can go to index.html and add another function here to our array of drawing functions. At the 12th index, draw sledge. And this is going to be implemented in its own file. Let's call this sledge.js. And control clicking this is gonna create a new file inside of the items folder. And our draw sledge function, given the context, x, y, size, and the hue for controlling the color, I'm going to draw the bounding box to begin with, and I need these helper variables. So let's stroke this rectangle with equal width and height, so it's a square. And now we know where we want this sledge to fit, but they are typically long things that are not very tall. So it's going to be something like this, maybe how the bow looks like. I would start with defining the height of the sled, like how tall we want it to be, and use that as a variable throughout defining the other objects. And maybe 25% of the size is enough for that. And now let's make the base. So that bottom part that also has a kind of arc at the right. So yeah, I'm going to start with the base and we'll use a line for this. It's going to have a thickness, maybe 10% of the size. I want it to be relatively thick. And the bottom is going to be y plus half the height. Now I want that arc to come on the right side of the screen. So let's get right here as a helper variable, plus half the size. And let's define the arc as well. Let's give it a radius, maybe 40% of the height. Let's see how that looks like. And now x and y values, I want to be able to use the radius here. So I implement them using a getter, where I subtract from the right this radius. And the same thing happens for the y, but I use the bottom of the base instead. So subtracting the radius from that. And let's start drawing maybe this arc first. So we begin a path, and then let's set the stroke style to the normal, intensity, color coming from the hue, and then the line width is going to be the base thickness. And let's arc at x and y using the radius. And I want it to be like from the top towards the bottom. So I need to use minus half pi and going all the way to plus half pi. So like this. And stroke. And there it is. But this thickness is too thick here. I want the center point of this arc to move by half the thickness to the left. So I can go here at this x location of the arc and subtract here the base thickness divided by 2. And that's going to give me this that doesn't anymore intersect the right border of this bounding box. And now I can continue from here all the way to the left with a straight line. So here I could say line to left using the base bottom. And there it is. Now I want this sled to have two legs. So a leg here and a leg here. And I will use a helper object for that, like so, leg. And here we define attributes like the bottom. Maybe it's going to be the base bottom. It's going to be the base bottom. And then depending on the height, we calculate the top like this. And the thickness, I'm going to use a value, a smaller value, so a percentage of the base thickness, so maybe 60%. And now using this as a template, I'm going to create the left leg and the right leg. So the only difference for that is going to be the X location where the vertical stick starts. And you can do that in a nice way in JavaScript by destructuring here leg like so, and that will make left leg have all these properties the same as the leg from previously. And now all you have to do is add the X value, something like this. And for the right leg, I'm just going to increase even more from the left side. So maybe destructuring here leg again, and then 60%. And now let's draw these lines, setting a line width of this leg thickness, maybe a stroke style. Let's use a light color so it looks a little bit different than the base. And let's draw the line. From the left leg X and bottom to the left leg X and top. Save. Refresh. And maybe this can be a little thinner. Let's see. How about 30% here? Let's set it to 50%. Yeah, I think I like this value. And drawing the front one as well. So I'm just going to copy this with the right leg everywhere. And all we need is that bench where we're sitting on. So at the bottom here, bench. Now the Y value for this horizontal line is the leg top. And the left, let's just leave it like that so it touches the left side of the screen. And the right is going to be the right leg X plus the size times 0.2. So I wanted to extend a little bit from the right leg. And we draw a line, bench left, Y, right, and the same Y because it's a horizontal line. Nice. This reminds me of that Santa and his penguins. He was using a sled like this. Check out that game if you haven't already.